Okay, this is my 5.2 redo by Melvin Dew. Each store in a perfectly competitive factory market is going to sell the exact same product. There are going to be many buyers and sellers, so they can't influence the price. So everyone's a price taker and identical everything. And there's free entry exit. So one example could be like fast food. Question 2 is draw a graph that shows the firm operating in a perfectly competitive factory market. Explain the different curves and where the optimal combination will be to hire. This would be the graph, and the curves are the MFC, the marginal factor cost, which is going to remain the same because the factor cost doesn't change throughout a perfectly competitive factor market because no one can influence the price. So it's going to stay the same. But what does change is the MRP, because as you hire more workers, you're going to get less revenue per worker. So you want to stop hiring workers here because at this point, you're going to be paying more than what you're getting, which is not worth it. Oh, and MSC is also equal to wage. And then for the second part, at which worker does diminishing marginal returns occur? This is going to occur at the third worker because your marginal product is going from 4 to 3. And this happens because too many cooks spoil the kitchen. If a firm can sell the potatoes at $2 and the workers are $5, you would be able to hire 3 workers, but don't do the fourth one because when you hire the fourth worker, the marginal cost will be above the marginal benefit. And then for the last part is if the price of potatoes doubles to $4, then you could hire 4 workers instead because the marginal benefit just went up. So it increases the threshold for the marginal cost. So you can now hire 4 workers. And at 5, the marginal cost would be greater than the marginal benefit. And for the last part, explain what happens if the supply of workers suddenly increases in the market. If there were more workers in the market, what happened to this company is the wage would likely get lower as there's going to be more people fighting for these jobs. There's going to be more job slots, and we'll get the marginal factor cost is going to go down. The wage is going to go down, basically.